Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Optimal Workshop for IA and Wireframe validation, full guide step by step clearly. To install Optimal Workshop for IA and Wireframe validation, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the official Optimal Workshop website at optimalworkshop.com. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage. Click on that button to begin the registration process. If you already have an account, select the Login option instead. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms, then click on Create Account or Sign Up. Once you've created your account, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow the link in the confirmation email to activate your account. After activation, log into your Optimal Workshop account. Now you will be taken to the dashboard where you can access various tools. To download the Optimal Workshop desktop app, navigate to the Resources or Tools section. Find the link to download the app and click on it. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system, whether it be Windows or Mac OS. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to complete the installation. After installation, launch the Optimal Workshop app. Log in using your registered email and password. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. For wireframe validation, look for the relevant tools such as TreeJack or Chalkmark. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your first project. Upload your wireframes or create new ones within the application. Use the features provided by Optimal Workshop to conduct user testing. Gather feedback and analyze results through the analytics tools available. Remember to regularly save your projects for future reference. You are now set to explore all that Optimal Workshop has to offer for IA and wireframe validation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.